Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Seabrook, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Pasadena, League City, Texas City, northeastern Friendswood, LaPorte, Dickinson, Santa Fe, Seabrook, Webster, Kemah, Clear Lake, southern South Belt Ellington, Nassau Bay, Taylor Lake Village, El Lago, Shore Acres, Clear Lake Shores, the Johnson Space Center, Backcliff, and Ellington Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.